Hey everyone, welcome to the Divinity Collection YouTube channel. So today we wanted to give you a printed hijab haul where we just show you a few of our printed hijab collection pieces. And so we have a bunch here to show you guys. We have a variety of printed hijabs here at Divinity Collection. These are just a few of them, but these are some of my personal favorites, so I thought that I would show you them today. So if you're interested in seeing a Divinity Collection hijab haul with a few of our printed hijabs, then please keep watching. So the first hijab that I'm going to show you is this light teal floral hijab. This is called our vintage light teal floral hijab. And all of the hijabs I'm showing you in this video are rectangular shaped, but you can definitely get them in square as well if you just visit our website or if you come into our stores. This is a super pretty hijab. It has like florals all over it and some really pretty colors that just complement each other really well. This is how it looks on as well, just so you guys can see exactly how it's going to flow and sit on your body if you do decide to buy it. This next one is our black and gold paisley hijab. It is a super pretty design. It's got like some metric details. I just absolutely love this, and I think that it complements people's faces so well. No matter what your skin tone is, this will look beautiful on you. And you can just wear this with a neutral colored hijab cap and it will just look so pretty. I absolutely just love the features and details of this hijab. It's definitely one of my favorites, like top 3 for sure out of this video. So hope you guys love it as much as I do, and if you do take pictures in our stuff, then please do tag us on Instagram. This next one is our brown Casablanca hijab. You can see that it has like some red undertones in the brown though, so it's kind of like an ochre color. I really like this color. Again, you'll notice something about me personally is I really prefer like the cool detailed hijabs with really interesting designs as opposed to floral, but floral is really pretty for a more feminine look. I just prefer this look. I don't know why, but it is a super pretty hijab and really popular. I think this would look really pretty again with a whole bunch of different skin tones. And again, this is just showing you exactly how it looks and sits on your body in case you are interested in purchasing this one. So this next one is our mocha zigzag hijab, and I just absolutely love this. It has so many different colors in it. It just reminds me of like a tribal vibe, and I just absolutely love how this looks. I think it could look really beautiful with a staple colored outfit. So even if you wore like a bright yellow dress, this could look stunning with it, or a bright pink dress could look so stunning with it. So I really just love how this hijab looks, and I also just think that it again just flatters so many people's faces. I've seen this on dark skin before and it looks absolutely stunning. I'm absolutely in love with this hijab. Again, probably one of my top 3. This next hijab is one of our most popular hijabs. This is the blush feather hijab, and I really just love this. It is just so simple and so elegant. It does only have the 2 colors in it, the blush color and the white color, but it is just such a gorgeous piece. You could totally wear this with a pinky toned undercap or hijab cap and then like a white dress, and it will look so gorgeous. You can see how it looks with my white dress in this video. I am just in love with how this looks, and it's such a classy and elegant print. The next one is our black and dusty purple floral hijab, and you might recognize this hijab from our hijab tutorial video that we did. So if you are not familiar with that, you can definitely check that out on our channel. We did a hijab tutorial with this hijab and just showed you a simple way to use it. But we absolutely love this print. We actually have a dress in this print as well, so I will link that down below and you can check that out if you are interested. But we absolutely love how just simple and classy this is, and it's also super easy for somebody to wear if they are a little bit afraid of prints because it is black. So we really love this piece. The next piece is our summer blue floral hijab, and it has like a blue base color, and then it also has these really pretty peachy tones in it, and it is just such a stunning piece. Again, for somebody that is really interested in like the elegant look or the super feminine and girly look, this is 100% for you. It is an absolute staple in a bunch of people's wardrobes, and I absolutely love how this looks again with just a white dress. Most of these hijabs actually look really beautiful with a white dress, but I really love how this one in particular looks with just a white dress as your outfit piece. The next one is our pastel abstract floral hijab, and this is such a cool piece because it is floral, but it also has like such a unique cool design, and everything kind of blends into each other. So I really love how this piece looks. Most of our hijabs, by the way, I just want to note, are 15 Australian dollars. We do have some for a discounted price, but most of our hijabs do sell for $15, and you can check them out on our website. You can also shop in stores if you're interested. If you live in Sydney, Australia, we have 2 stores, one in Bankstown Central and one in Stocklands, Marylands. So you can definitely check those out. But again, this is such a cool design, floral, but they all blend into each other, which is why we decided to call it the abstract floral. And it's just such a pretty pink, and it has muted purple hues, and it's just such a gorgeous piece to add to your wardrobe. The next one is our blush tribal hijab. This is a super pretty hijab design too. Again, it's such an abstract design. That's why I personally love it so much, and I just feel like it looks so good on so many different people, and you could just use this in so many different ways. You could also totally use this as a neck scarf if you don't wear hijab. This would look so beautiful, or even as a shawl to go over a dress for a special event. You could always use a patterned hijab for that and it will look absolutely stunning. But this is one of the pieces that I've actually seen worn as a shawl before, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I really just love it. With that being said, that is the end of this video, you guys. We hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you do check out the links down below, and you subscribe, like this video. We upload every single week. And with that being said, we'll talk to you soon. Bye!